Let's explore this home that was $59,500 by the time of recording this video. Hey everyone! Welcome back to View New Homes, where we explore unique homes across Maine. Today, we're in Blaine, checking out a hidden gem perfect for anyone looking for a renovation project with breathtaking views. Let's dive in! Alright, right off the bat, you can see this home sits on a spacious 0.64-acre lot. It's surrounded by nature, giving you the perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. And with that brand new metal roof installed just this year, the exterior's got some solid updates to build on. Let's head inside. Welcome to the living room. This space is cozy and inviting, with plenty of potential. The updated flooring here gives a great starting point for any design aesthetic you might have in mind. Imagine adding your personal touch, some statement lighting, a comfy sectional, maybe even a reading nook. Moving into the dining area and kitchen, this is where things get exciting. The kitchen is completely ready for your dream layout. Yup, the cabinets are gone, giving you a blank slate to create something that works perfectly for your cooking and entertaining style. And hey, that open flow to the dining room? It's great for hosting friends and family. Upstairs, we've got two good-sized bedrooms, perfect for creating your own retreat. Whether you want a serene primary bedroom or a cozy guest space, the options are endless. And remember, there's an unfinished area here too. You could easily add a third bedroom, home office, or even a fun hobby space. The house features a full bathroom and a half bath. With a bit of TLC, these could transform into spa-like sanctuaries. Let your creativity shine. And here's the basement, unfinished with a dirt floor, but it's accessible from inside, making it super convenient for storage or future projects. Think wine cellar, workshop, or extra storage space. Now let's step outside because wow, check out those views. From the Prestile stream to Mars Hill Mountain, this is the kind of backdrop most people dream about. The lot is just under an acre, so there's plenty of room for gardening, outdoor games, or even a fire pit for those chilly Maine evenings. So there you have it. This home is a fixer-upper, but it's bursting with potential. Whether you're looking to create your dream home or an investment property, this is your chance to make it happen. And don't forget, we're in one of the most serene spots in Maine. If you enjoyed this tour, hit that like button, subscribe for more Maine home tours, and drop a comment below. What would you do with this space? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.